I got a little bit more than 2 pounds of turkey. Now, the key is you're going to use chili powder to change the color of the turkey. We're going to put it on the bottom first because this is where we're going to be cooking. It's just easier doing it this way. Put a little of that. This one was frozen, the other one was not. This is still frozen. Will make a difference. We're going to cook this up. We're going to add more chili powder. As we're cooking it. I'm probably going to use half the container. Alright. Pause for the claws as we cook this up. While my turkey's cooking, I'm going to open these, drain those. I'm going to open those, throw those into a strainer, rinse them off. And then these will go in, and that'll go in. I might throw 2 of these in, 2 salsas. And wait. Don't forget. Every time I do it, I love to throw in some corn. We got some beautiful heirloom white corn. So we'll throw that in also. And that's how I make my chili. Real fast, real easy, real delicious. If you notice to my right, you'll see I cleaned the top of my 8 cans like a germaphobe, and look how dirty. So that would have went into my food. All right, this is why I do not use ground beef. Can you tell the difference between my turkey and ground beef? No, I don't think so. Now, with the tomatoes that I got, look at the difference. On the right is the chipotle, and on the left is the fire roasted. I drained those. One more of that. I like a lot of tomatoes in mine. Alright, now the corn. I drained the corn also. I like a dry chili, although you go to a lot of places, they like a wet chili. I think I'm going to add one more salsa. Almost 2.5 pounds, I think. And then I'm going to mix it up real fast. And then we want to add the beans. Easy and fast. Making your own chilies this easy? Come on. There you go. Alright, rinse the beans. That is a beautiful chili. Look, the black and the white beans, the reds. This is my dinner. That is pretty. Now, see those jars that are sitting there? When this is done, I will take the chili and put the chili in those jars and throw it in the refrigerator. I have chili for days to come. Or I could sit down and eat this whole thing all at once, which I don't think is going to happen. As you can see how thick my chili is? That's how I prefer my chili. Those watery chilies, don't like them. Clean that up. Alright. Technically it's done, because nothing in here needs to cook anymore. All we're going to do is blend the flavors as we're heating it up. So, this is a 13-inch wok with titanium ceramic technology. I'll put that on the stove, let it cook up, and I'm done. Hope you like my chili recipe. Love it.